Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to hide the desktop image in Windows 10. If you prefer a clean and distraction-free desktop environment, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. To begin, press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu, where you can access various settings and features. Next, navigate to the Settings app. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon in the Start menu. The Settings app allows you to customize and personalize your Windows experience. Within the Settings window, look for the Ease of Access option. Click on it to access a range of accessibility settings and features. Now, within the Ease of Access settings, locate and click on the Display option. This section allows you to adjust various display-related settings on your Windows 10 system. Scroll down in the display settings until you find the option labeled Show Desktop Background Image. Simply toggle off the switch to hide the desktop image, and there you have it. You have successfully hidden the desktop image in Windows 10, creating a clean and clutter-free desktop environment. Enjoy the simplicity and focus on your work or tasks without any distractions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.